process of creating affirmations to counteract limiting beliefs. Creating affirmations is an effective way to rewire your thinking patterns and replace limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts. Follow this process to structure affirmations that align with your true potential and help you overcome your limiting beliefs. Identify your limiting belief. Begin by clearly identifying the specific limiting belief you want to address. Be specific and concise in defining the belief that holds you back. For example, I am not smart enough to succeed. Recognize the impact of the limiting belief. Reflect on how this belief has influenced your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Understand the negative consequences it has had on your life and the areas where it has held you back. Reverse the belief. Create an affirmation that directly contradicts the limiting belief. Reframe it into a positive and empowering statement that reflects your true potential. For example, I am intelligent and capable of achieving success. Make affirmations personal and present tense. Write your affirmations in the first person and present tense to make them more impactful. This helps to shift your mindset from future aspirations to a belief in your current abilities. For example, I am confident and worthy of love and respect. Use positive language. Frame your affirmations using positive language that focuses on what you want to achieve or become, rather than what you want to avoid. Emphasize the positive qualities or attributes you wish to cultivate. For example, I am resilient and capable of overcoming any challenge. Keep affirmations concise and specific. Keep your affirmations short and specific, so they are easy to remember and repeat. This allows you to reinforce them consistently throughout your day. For example, I am deserving of abundance and success. Make affirmations believable. Craft affirmations that are believable and resonate with you on a deep level. Choose words that evoke positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, confidence, or empowerment. This emotional connection will help anchor the affirmation in your subconscious mind. Write affirmations in the present moment. When repeating your affirmations, say them as if they are already true. By visualizing and feeling the affirmation in the present moment, you reinforce the belief and program your subconscious mind accordingly. Repeat affirmations consistently. Consistency is key when working with affirmations. Incorporate them into your morning routine, during moments of self-reflection, or before bedtime. The more you repeat them, the more they become ingrained in your subconscious mind. Support affirmations with action. While affirmations can be powerful, they are most effective when accompanied by aligned actions. Take inspired action towards your goals, making choices and decisions that reinforce your affirmations. This helps to solidify the belief and manifest positive change in your life. Pay attention to any resistance or areas where you struggle to fully embrace the affirmation. If needed, make adjustments or create new affirmations that better address your evolving needs and aspirations. Remember, creating affirmations is a personal and individual process. Customize them to resonate with your unique circumstances, strengths, and desires. Thanks for watching.